Adventures on the farm. Welcome to the amazing farm, where the most adorable and friendly farm animals live. Meet Farmer John and his cheerful helpers, Maggie and Tommy. Today, they're going on an adventure to meet the animals on the farm. Here is Bunny the rabbit, who loves to munch on carrots and hop around the meadow. And here are Boris and Martha the pigs, who always have fun and enjoy rolling in the mud. Next is Clara the hen, who lays fresh eggs for breakfast every day. And of course, there is Sherry the lamb, who loves playing with the children and telling them funny stories. Together with the children and Farmer John, our little heroes learn how important it is to take care of the animals and look after them. And so, every day on the farm is full of fun and adventures. Join our friends on the farm and discover the amazing world of animals.